Hi everyone, it's that time of year. We're wearing summer clothes, dresses, tank tops, whatever. This area of the arm here tends to get a little slaggy as we get older. I'm going to show you how to activate these muscles very easily so you'll look great in your summer clothes. So let me show you clearly what happens. Now we're going to work the pectoral muscles, the chest muscles, however you want to name them. If you would just look at my pectoral muscle right here as it inserts into the shoulder, watch what happens when I push my hands together. Can you see that? So when I activate the chest muscles by pushing my hands together, then we actually have something. So take this broomstick, keep pushing, keep that pressure, and let's work through ranges of motion. You want to work across and back, lift it a little higher, use circles and keep that pressure. You're activating these muscles, toning those muscles so that you're going to look really hot this summer.